This is the WARSUN mini clip-on rechargeable flashlight. This is a 3-pack. Let's take it out of the box. In the box they give you one instruction manual, but they're all the same. Here are the other two, and in these little boxes you get the USB charging cable, which is USB to USB-C, and here is the unit itself. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about it first, and then we'll test it out. This has a bottle opener on the side right there. Carabiner clip like that to just clip on. Nice spring-loaded action, so it'll stay closed like that. These are your lights here. Okay, so they light up in tandem like that. And then you got a red flashy one in the middle. I'll show you that in a minute. But on the back, you got the USB charging port and a little hatch. And that is a lighter. And of course I'll demonstrate that to you as well. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit more about it, and then we'll test it. This is 1.25 ounces. Very, very, very lightweight. You could easily clip this on a bug out bag or knapsack or anything like that. Clip it on your keys, anything, whatever you want. It's really small and convenient like that. There is a magnet on the back side of it as well. Battery in here charges in 2 hours and can run for up to 12 hours. This is also water resistant. The light is 400 lumens and there's 4 modes: high, low, strobe, and red. And when you double click the button you get the lighter. So here's how it works. You press a button and it turns on. Press it again, you get low. Press again, you get strobe. Press again, you get red flash. Just like that, it just three flashes like that, and it's all done. Press again, it goes off. Okay? High, low, strobe, red, and that's it. For the lighter, you want to open that up, and you are going to double click the button. See a light up there? That is hot and can light things. No need about turning it off because it only runs for that time that I just showed you there and shuts off by itself. Might be privy to leave it open for a minute or so after to let it cool, but let's go ahead and test the light out, and then we will see about trying to light something. Turn it on, and that's what you get on high. Now there's a little bit of banding, but again, that's a camera artifact, and you will not see that in real life. Press again to low. There's still light. Let me just cover it. Yeah, there's really a lot more light than you think, even on low like that. Then you have your strobe and your red flash. So again, high, low, strobe, red flash. For the lighter, we'll double click. It lights up, and I have this brown paper here. Yeah, it did it. Very nice. That worked just fine. So real handy if you're a smoker or a beer drinker. You got all that built in, plus the light, and it clips right on, so you always have it at the ready. So once again, this is the WARSUN mini clip-on rechargeable flashlight. Comes in a 3-pack. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.